I got 400 grams of beef liver. I cut it in slices. I put it in the milk for about 1 hour before I cooked. Then I washed it with water and I put it in a pan right here. Now I'm gonna just cook it for about 5 minutes. Add some onions and garlic, of course some spices, whatever you like. I added a bunch of spices. One of my favorite ones is this one, Buttery Steakhouse. I also love to add dill, black pepper, salt, garlic powder, anything you basically love you can put inside here. So we're gonna cook it for about 5 minutes, and also I'm gonna add 100 grams of Greek yogurt to make it all smooth, tasty and super nice. So I'm gonna put also the all the macros and everything at the end of the video so you could see and cook by yourself if you want. So next step will be we're gonna add onions right now. So here we go, our onion chopped, and then garlic. Wow, cooking with one hand, this is something. So I'm gonna do like this. Bam. Yeah, and make sure it's not on super high heat. I got like medium, even a little less than medium right now. So I just added 100 grams of Greek yogurt and we're gonna mix it all up. Then close the lid. Cook it for a few minutes and it's done. For the side I would add rice or pasta, or like in my case today I'm gonna use regular low carb tortilla, some salad. Just feel more creative in the kitchen. Don't think that your diet's supposed to be just chicken and broccoli. You can switch all the things around as long as you calculate all your macros. I usually put everything, all the foods in my MyFitnessPal app. It's free, you can download it and use it. Pretty convenient. Every day, everything I eat, I just put in there, and I try to not overeat amount of calories I'm supposed to eat per day. Alright, it's right about done. Now I'm gonna put it in a plate and show to you the final product. So here we are. I used half of what I cooked, half of the liver, few tortillas, some salad, and if you want some extra, I got here sugar-free barbecue sauce, just in case if I want to spice it up. That's pretty much all. All the macros will be right now on the screen. If you want to cook something like that, let me know in the comments if you like it, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.